Your website visitors have questions. Most of them leave without getting answers, and you lose the sale. Today, I'll show you how to build an AI chatbot that answers visitor questions automatically, 24 hours a day, using only free tools. No coding required. You'll be live in under 30 minutes. Here's what we're building. A chatbot that sits on your website, trained on your own content, handles FAQs, captures leads, and books appointments, all without you lifting a finger. The tool we're using is Chatbase. It's free to start and takes minutes to set up. Step 1. Go to chatbase.co and create a free account. Once inside, click Create New Chatbot. Step 2. Train it on your content. You can paste your website URL and Chatbase will crawl it automatically. Or paste in a Google Doc with your FAQs, product info, or service details. The more content you give it, the smarter it gets. Step 3. Customize the responses. Set a welcome message. Tell it your business name. Set the tone, friendly, professional, or whatever fits your brand. You can also set a fallback message for questions it can't answer, like, "I'll connect you with a human shortly." Step 4. Embed it on your website. Chatbase gives you a small code snippet, one line. Paste it into your website footer, and the chatbot appears instantly. Works on WordPress, Shopify, Wix, or any custom site. Step 5. Test it live. Open your website in a new tab and ask it a question a real customer would ask. See how it responds. Go back and refine your training content if needed. That's it. You now have an AI assistant working for you around the clock. Most businesses that set this up see fewer repetitive support emails within the first week. Visitors get instant answers. You get your time back. If you want to go further, you can connect Chatbase to your CRM, send lead notifications to email or Slack, or hand off to a human agent when needed. We'll cover all of that in future videos. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if this saved you time, leave a comment below. I read everyone.